tá ar brí bhrista agus táid go léir smuoine na póistí, na fismóirí, na múnseoirí agus an pobl le agus níl éon focail eile agamsa ag an am seo.
Parnell, just off what the reaction is in the area.
The reaction is one of absolute shock. I would describe the community as numbed by this. This is just an appalling event. People are horrified that people have been injured and that children, even witnessing this, have been traumatised. So our heart goes out to the whole school community, to the children, the parents, the teachers. I know that the Gardaí acted very swiftly in this matter, but this is certainly the last thing that any of us expected on a Thursday afternoon, where children should come safely from school and be collected by their parents. So that is it. I only pray now that the injured make a full recovery. And obviously the assailant, I understand, is in custody, so people will take some comfort from that, but the community is stunned. It's the word that I would use, stunned and horrified. Okay, thanks guys.